Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. Rest assured that it is organic. The minerals are the same. Made with organic ingredients from clean areas of Colombia. Unrefined raw sugar syrup that has not gone through a centrifugation process. 370 milliliters, 500 grams, 1,350 kilocalories. Organic mineral raw sugar, from Colombia, 68%. Easy to use anytime you want to add deeper flavor to your dishes. It is made from 100% organic sugarcane juice grown in the clean alpine regions of Colombia using the traditional method of boiling and hardening without centrifugation, making it even richer in minerals. The easiest way to add nutritious flavor, Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. Special features of Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. 1. 100% organic sugarcane raw material from clean alpine areas in Colombia. 2. Real unrefined raw sugar syrup made from sugarcane juice, non-GMO, no additives. 3. Nutrients full of natural minerals and polyphenols. 4. Unrefined raw sugar syrup that goes well with any dish, vivid flavor, easy to use. 5. Strict and hygienic manufacturing process. 6. 100% domestically manufactured and manufactured with patented technology. Anytime you want to add nutritious flavor, conveniently. Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. Product details. Product name, Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. Food type, sugar processed products, sterilized. Net volume, 740 milliliters, 1,000 grams, consisting of 2 pouches of 370 milliliters or 500 grams each. Ingredients: organic mineral raw sugar, from Colombia, 100% organic sugarcane, purified water. Storage method. Before opening, store in a dry and cool place, avoiding direct sunlight. After opening, store in the refrigerator and consume as soon as possible. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 1. 100% organic sugarcane from Colombia's pristine highlands. The raw material is sugarcane grown in a 100% organic way without the use of chemical fertilizers for more than 3 years in Colombia, at an altitude of more than 2,000 meters above sea level. Why is alpine sugarcane good? Like many highland crops, highland sugarcane has to survive in the harsh environment. This is because we do our best to create good ingredients that can protect ourselves. Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup has obtained domestic manufacturing plant organic certification. Colombian local farm organic certification. Colombian local processing plant organic certification. Domestic manufacturing plant U.S. organic certification from United States Department of Agriculture, USDA. Colombia local processing plant U.S. organic certification from United States Department of Agriculture, USDA. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 2. Real unrefined raw sugar syrup made only from sugarcane juice. Raw sugar syrup. It is manufactured using a traditional method of boiling and hardening only sugarcane juice by pressing it without chemical purification or centrifugation. Since the molasses is not separated, it contains abundant minerals as raw sugar. Manufacturing process of organic mineral raw sugar, the raw material for Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. First, the culture. Sugarcane is grown in a clean area using organic methods without using chemical fertilizers for more than 3 years. Second, washing. Impurities from cultivated sugarcane are removed and washed thoroughly. Third, pressing. Sugarcane juice is obtained by pressing. Fourth, boiling. It is boiled without separating the raw sugar from the sugarcane solution. There is no purification process. Fifth, hardening. It is placed in a traditional container and hardened in its natural state. Sixth, grinding. It is grinded using eco-friendly containers and tools. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 3. Syrup of real unrefined raw sugar made only from sugarcane juice. Nutrients remain intact as molasses is not separated. It contains abundant minerals as raw sugar. This is unrefined raw sugar that has gone through a centrifugation process. It looks bright yellow, fine and uniform particles, crystallized and shiny. This is unrefined raw sugar using traditional methods, Atomy organic mineral raw sugar, it is dark yellow. The particles are irregular and the thick particles characteristic of granulated millet sugar also visible. It is natural particles without shine. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 4. Nutrients full of natural minerals and polyphenols. This is a pure raw sugar syrup made without any additives or GMO ingredients. It is only organic sugarcane and purified water. There is no GMO, genetically modified, raw materials. There is no use of chemical additives. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 5. Natural minerals and polyphenols. Full of nutritional ingredients. Sugarcane is rich in natural minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium, as well as polyphenol, an antioxidant. Polyphenol is antioxidant substance that changes free radicals, harmful oxygen, in our body into harmless substances. This is the nutritional content of 100 ml Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. If you are looking for a better alternative to sugar and regular syrup, Atomy organic mineral raw sugar, which is rich in nutrients such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, and polyphenols, is perfect. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 6. Unrefined raw sugar syrup that goes well with any dish. Vivid flavor, easy to use. It is a versatile unrefined raw sugar syrup that enriches the taste of food with its unique flavor and adds taste and health to any place where syrup or cooking sugar is used, such as Korean food, pickles, baking, and beverages. Enjoy nutritious sweetness. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 7. Strict and hygienic manufacturing process. Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup has obtained HACCP certification, organic certification, FSSC 22000, etc. HACCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, is an internationally recognized standard that defines the requirements for the effective control of food safety. It should be applied during the manufacture of food, ingredients and beverages, and is a key element of the Codex General Principles of Food Hygiene. FSSC 22000 is a food safety certification scheme based on the existing internationally recognized standard ISO 22000 and complemented by technical standards, such as ISO TS 22002-1 for food manufacturing and ISO TS 22002-4 for packaging manufacturing. In facilities with international standard certification, Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup as safe product is made with a hygienic process of strict standards. Certification information. The Organic Processed Food Certification System is a system that examines the raw materials used and manufacturing processes of processed foods and allows only products that are guaranteed to meet legal standards to use the certification logo and organic name. Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup. This product has obtained organic certification in accordance with domestic law, not only at the domestic manufacturing plant, but also at local Colombian farms and processing plants. In addition, we have also obtained USDA organic certification in accordance with the U.S. Organic Certification System Act. ISO 22000 certification, a food safety management system from the International Organization of Standards, ISO, and the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. ISO 22000 certification has obtained MUS Cert HACCP certification. What makes Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup so special? Point 8. 100% domestically manufactured and manufactured with patented technology. It is 100% reliable and manufactured domestically, and its proprietary patented technology minimizes the loss of nutrients from sugarcane while achieving a taste and aroma close to natural. Atomy organic mineral raw sugar syrup is recommended to these people. Those who want a flavorful raw sugar syrup rather than the artificial taste of alternative sugars. Those who want 100% organic certified unrefined raw sugar syrup. Those who want raw sugar syrup that can be used in all possible dishes such as Korean food, snacks, desserts, and drinks. Those who want real unrefined, raw sugar syrup made with authentic ingredients and processes.